I am in my very messy sewing room where yesterday I had a marathon sweatshirt converting session. I did some converting on these sweatshirts I've been wanting to do for a long time, including making them into V-necks. So I cut off the ribbing around the necklines. Of course, you gotta save these. You never know when you're gonna need them. This black one, I didn't do any, well, I was gonna say I didn't do anything to add a pocket, but I did also make a V-neck. The pockets are all fleece pieces from former projects, and I love how this one turned out. That lion is beautiful. It's the reason I saved him. With the V-necks, I cut it into a slight V. Don't know if you can make it out on the black. When you cut this, then you need to do a stay stitch all the way around. And a stay stitch is nothing more than a straight line seam that will keep this from stretching. It also gives you a nice little fold line. So I folded on the seam and added one of my decorative stitching just to hold it down. I did this just in black. Isn't going to show much, but it's there. On these, I laid one shirt down on top of another one. Took my big handy dandy ruler and sliced right up through 2 shirts at a time. The neck on this one was done the same. Maybe you can see it a little better, but it was done the same as on the black. I did the stay stitching, turned it under on the stitch line, and then the decorative sew around the neck. This was a piece of blanket fleece, and it makes a really nice pocket. Here is the piece of gray from this shirt. I had this beautiful piece of fleece, which is almost the same color as the gray. And again, I did the neckline the same, only this is more round than the V-neck. Still will work to put a shirt under. And then here's the other piece of the red and the other piece of the white. Same technique, used red contrasting thread this time because it had the nice red on the bottom. This fleece was almost the same color, maybe a half a shade off, but I used it anyhow. And the shirt that I have on has another piece of that really nice fleece, and I V-necked this also. And these shirts are an extra large. I like large shirts, and if you're going to do this when you slice them, buying another larger size up because the seam may take up more. And I wanted these done because even around the house, you know, phone, Kleenex, pencil, keys if I need to run to the car. So I've just wanted handy sweatshirts, and now I've got them.